Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to erase all content and settings on your iPhone or iPad. This process is essential if you're planning to sell or give your device to someone else, as it securely wipes your personal data. That's it, let's get started. So, before you erase anything, make sure to back up your iPhone. Well, you can do this by going to the Settings app on your iPhone and then tapping on your profile at the top, and then you have to choose the iCloud option, and then you have to select iCloud Backup option, and then you have to tap on Backup Now option. This way, you won't lose important data. And once you are ready, you have to open the Settings app on your iPhone. This is where you'll find the option to erase your iPhone or iPad. And then you have to scroll down a bit and choose the General option. And then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen and choose Transfer or Reset iPhone or iPad. And then you have to choose Erase All Content and Settings option in the menu. You will see a screen explaining what data will be erased on your device. Now you have to tap on Continue, and then you have to enter your passcode for security. And if prompted, make sure to enter your Apple ID password to disable Find My iPhone or iPad. And finally, you have to confirm that you want to erase everything. Your iPhone will restart and the erasing process will begin. And once complete, your iPhone will be restored to factory settings. And that's pretty much it. Your iPhone is now wiped clean and ready for a fresh start or a new owner. Now don't forget to like and subscribe for more such handy iPhone and iPad tips and tricks. And I'll catch you up in the next one. Take care. Bye-bye.